Hi friends, I'm Coach Natalie Carey. I'm a certified personal trainer, and today I'm doing a quick session to help you improve your balance. For equipment, do have something available for you like a chair or a workout bench that can take your weight on an incline. And then I'm using a kettlebell, but you can use something like a heavy purse or a backpack or anything that you have on hand that's a little bit weighted. And then I also have a small ball down here. You can use any light object, and I'll tell you more when we get to that exercise. Let's start by holding onto our chair for balance. Lift one foot off the floor and start rolling your foot around, making big circles with your ankles. Trying to flex the toe at the top and then point at the bottom. Let's reverse that same side. And you're trying to get those toes to move around too. Completing the circle, flexing, pointing, and let's switch over to the other foot. Lifting it up, making small circles, flexing at the top, feeling the toes moving, feeling every part of your foot moving, and switch directions. And don't worry if your foot doesn't move as much as mine. I am a dancer. I have a lot of practice doing these ankle rolls. And set that foot down on the floor. I'm gonna turn my chair around so that it's facing me, and we're coming into an incline plank. You can place your hands on any direction that you feel is secure for you. Walk your feet out, and we're holding here. I want head lifted just a little bit. You don't have to be cranking it up towards your ceiling, but I don't want it drooping down. And we're doing this because I want you to feel a little bit of tension in your trunk here, because we're gonna reference that in just a moment. So just a little bit of time here engaging our abdominal muscles. Walk one foot in, other foot in, and you can stand up. You don't have to turn your chair around. I'm just gonna do that so that you can see me a little bit more clearly. And now is your time to grab whatever weighted object you have. This can be a dumbbell, like I said, a backpack with some books, a purse, whatever you've got available. I'm gonna use my kettlebell. We're going into marches. I hold this off of my hip and I start to march one leg at a time. And if you feel confident knowing that the chair is gonna be right here, you can remove that hand off of the chair and try to balance. So this weight should be heavy enough that when you pick your foot up and you lift it off of your hip, you feel some of that tension in your trunk, just like we did with the incline plank. Let's do one more step and then switch to the other hand. If you need to turn around so that chair is there for you, go ahead. Here we go, 3, 2, and 1, lifting one foot at a time. And if you don't feel like this is challenging, either you need a heavier weight, or maybe you need to pull that kettlebell from resting on your leg to lifting it up off of the leg. That's a really key part of this march. This is just a light balance exercise, again, reminding our core to have some tension in it. Last one, safely set that weight down. Now you can grab your ball or whatever light item you have in your house. Any kind of ball will do, tennis ball, pet toy, whatever's available. Again, that chair is here for balance if we need it. We lift one foot up and we're gonna toss the ball to ourselves. And this might seem like a really silly exercise, but I found with so many people that having to move their eyes around and move their hands around to catch that ball, this is a really great secret balance exercise. One more, switch to the other foot. Remember, you can always tap that toe down if you need to regain your balance, right? There's no harm in tapping the toe down. Don't feel bad about it. This is a shame-free zone. You don't need to say mean things to yourself like, my balance sucks, or I have terrible balance, because that's what I hear a lot of people say. Just be nice to yourself. We're all working on something. Last one. Good, set that down. Okay, here comes our big finale. I'm turning my chair so that the lower side is facing me. I'm getting balance on one foot. This is our target. Watch me first. I'm gonna bend my knee. I hinge forward. I just tap the chair, and then I come back up. So there's this really nice moment where the chair is my safety net. Go ahead, join in. And I'm trying to keep this other leg lifted off the floor. But again, you can always touch it down to the floor if this is a really tough exercise for you. Switch to the other side. As you get stronger at this exercise, you can make your target lower. Like maybe you feel really confident here, you wanna reach down towards that kettlebell, or you wanna reach down all the way to the floor. You go for it. I'm supportive of that. Last one, and relax. These are exercises you can do 5 minutes a day. You can do them anywhere you're at. You can practice washing dishes, brushing your teeth, whatever you want to do to help improve your balance on a daily basis. If you like this video, please hit like, subscribe to my channel for more sessions like this. I'm Natalie Carey. Thanks for being excellent to yourself today.